KeePass is a free and open source password manager that, once you have it set up, will manage and protect as many passwords as you will ever have. All your passwords are protected inside of a database that you create on your computer. This video will show you how to create and secure that database so you can safely and easily store all your passwords there. First, you head over to KeePass.info, then come on down here to the Downloads link in the left column. Click on that and choose which package you want or need depending upon your operating system. Then download and install. Very straightforward stuff. Now, I've already downloaded and installed the Professional Edition using the installer.exe package. Let me go ahead and open it up, and this is what the interface looks like. And to create a database, you come on up here to File, and then choose New from the drop-down, or choose New from the toolbar here, or you can also use the keyboard shortcut, holding the Control key down on your keyboard and hitting the letter N as in new. And by default, the database extension is .kdbx, and you want to give it a name. Probably should be a little more descriptive than just new database, but for the sake of this demo, that's fine. And you also want to navigate to the location where you want to store all of your databases if you plan on having more than one. And for this demonstration, the documents library is just fine. Click on Save. And this pops up asking you for a master password or master passphrase. And you can click on this box here to actually show the characters as you type them out. And as you type, the progression bar showing you the strength of your password gets increasingly greener. And it also gives you a number here showing you how strong it is. And you can choose again either a passphrase or a password. This is the only password you'll have to remember of all the passwords you're going to be storing in your database. There could be 10 or 10,000 passwords in your database, but to gain access to that database, you have to know this one master password. And at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and click on this box here again where the three dots are, and it'll automatically populate that in the repeat password box below. Now, for an added layer of security, you can check this box here for key file. That way, in case somebody has access to your password for some odd reason, they will also need to know the location of the key file. Otherwise, this isn't going to do them any good at all. And to create the key file, once you check that box, you can see this option is available. Just go ahead and click on the Create button. Navigate to the location where you want to store the key and also give it a name. But for the sake of this demo, I'm just going to leave it as is. Click on Save, and at this point we're creating our key just by moving the mouse around all over the place in here, and you can see as the progression bar here gets bigger and bigger and greener, it's getting stronger and stronger, and you can just go on and on and on until it gets to the max of 256, or you can stop at any point because really this is just overkill in my book. But hey, you got the option, go ahead and make it as strong as possible, right? Or you can also go with typing random characters. Frankly, this would be impossible. This is just that much more ridiculously impossible. So at this point, we click on OK, and our key is created and stashed away safely right here. Click on OK here, and basically at this point, our database is created and assigned the master password. You also have these additional options here for your database settings, but that's the makings of a different video. At this point, I'm just going to click on OK, and here's our database. We're populated with a couple of different sample entries. You've got the various default groups. You can either go with these, you can add additional groups, you can even make subgroups. And that's the end of this video on creating and securing your KeePass database. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.